Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. Today, I'm sharing a format called the broadside booklet fold. It's a chameleon of a format that presents as a booklet without any binding mechanism and transforms into a poster, all with a simple slit and fold technique. I've got 3 examples of the broadside booklet fold used in 3 entirely different verticals, so let's take a closer look. This first example is a promotional brochure for a GMC hybrid SUV. It has a soft touch coating on it, so it feels really nice. Paginated spreads, but you'll notice there's no binding. 3 2-page spreads on the interior, and then it opens up into a big poster if you pull the pages in opposing directions. You can see there's a slit in the middle that allows the center panels to release, and that's what makes it possible. This particular sample also has a tipped-on business reply card on the inside poster spread. By the way, if you don't know to pull the pages, you can always just pick up a corner and it'll open up. Here's the same format with a different approach and purpose. This promotional piece for artist John Klang uses the interior spreads to feature several images of his creative work, and then when you open it up, you'll see one large image on the inside. No text, just imagery. This format, by the way, is also great for layouts with a lot of text, like zines and anything you might have made a booklet brochure for. Lastly, I want to show you how you can change the proportion. This brochure was designed for a standard literature holder. Who would expect something exciting in this 4x9 airshow brochure? But it is exciting. Watch for the 3 spreads. I like how they use each spread to highlight different attractions for the airshow. And then when you open it up, you see a huge plane and the 4-day event schedule in poster form. Very nicely done. Now, the one thing I haven't mentioned is that this format can be folded by machine. For my printers in the audience, it folds like this. 1, 2, 3. One more time, I'll unfold and then fold it again. 1, 2, 3. So, a great format for lots of different applications. You get really nice paginated spreads of content, and then the potential for a poster or a pattern or map or whatever you want on the large 8-page inside spread. As I mentioned, it can be machine folded, but depending upon the quantity, some printers will choose to hand fold it. The broadside booklet is such a great format. I hope you can find a way to work it into your repertoire. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.